Now I just need to seal you.
Obito.
To think, I'd come all this way just to switch paths. But I've switched paths now. I might as well figure out what I can do. And do it.
Obito, what are you doing?
A man who I once tried to use, Nagato, betrayed me with this. Gedo Art of Rinne Rebirth.
If you use that, then you'll...
Why did Nagato betray me? I think I understand now. Human emotions stacked up and linked together can truly become a powerful thing.
Enough chatter. It's about time that our ambitions bore fruit.
Time to switch out.
Black Zetsu Ghetto Art of Rinne Rebirth.
Now I can fight for real. No other body will do. It is only a real battle when I can feel my blood boiling and my flesh dancing. Madara, you were waiting for this the whole... So this is Sage Jutsu Chakra. Seems easy enough to use. Madara, what are you after? Hashirama, do you remember when I spoke to you in front of the Uchiha Monument? He'd said that true happiness can be found when two opposing forces are brought together. But I also told you that there was a different way to interpret that. Uchiha and Senju, only the one who acquires the power of both clans will achieve true happiness. Do you not think that would make sense too? This is bad. His next target will be... Now it is your turn. You wild beasts!
I knew he was going to go after the tailed beasts!
Hurry up and transform into your tailed beast state!
I can't right now! I don't have enough of Kuruma's chakra! I'll just have to keep him busy in this form until my chakra fills up! Wait for an opening, and then attack him all at once!
You're all mine. I'll put a collar on each and every one of you.
I don't think so!
I am not a corpse anymore.
How did you come back to life?
I suppose I would have to...
Don't tell me. You made him use Nagato's jutsu.
Why, yes. It was all part of my plan. Time to put you to sleep. Along with the tailed beasts. I see. Yes, you are definitely more than the average beast.
It doesn't matter if you come back to life. I'll send you back over to the other side in no time. We've got him cornered. Now let's... Now!
Gather your tails! should do it.
Sorry I'm late, Lord Madara.
Did you bring it?
Of course.
Now things will really get fun.
Summoning Jutsu!
That's...
The corpse of the Ten Tails.
What about the left eye?
Looks like it'll still take them a while longer. Although, the same goes for this.
Do not compare me to some brat who took years to get his pet back. This will take seconds. Watch.
Limbo Border Jail! He might try something. Watch out! Cool!
What did he do?
Now then. Back into your cages, beasts.
What power? I can't go on.
Guys!
Now all the tailed beasts are together. Next comes...
Naruto! These pitter-patters.
He lost his tailed beast.
What?
Naruto's on the brink of death right now. We can still save him. Go to the fourth at once. Part of the Nine Tails is inside of him, too.
But what about you?
I'll keep him busy. Go! There's hardly any time left!
Please wait for me.
What do you intend to do with that child? Now that he has lost his tailed beast, he's done for.
But we still need to save him! Naruto is the hope of all shinobi. I feel the same way.
You've changed. You used to have a much harder heart.
It was all for the village. I simply hardened my heart to help the village.
Oh.
Receiving life was your downfall. You should have stayed reanimated. That's what you'll regret as you die! Right here!
Come on. You are one of the last remnants of the team.
I'll leave the rest to you. Don't forget that you've already died once.
Fine. Either way, you have so much time.
I'll leave the rest to you.
What did you want to come back to life for? Our time is long past.
I just wanted to finish creating the country that Hashirama prayed
Paper bomb!
But this world is a product of the last person who saved Hashirama. And patience on the brink of death requires drastic.
Sano, flame control! Disappear, along with the old era. Burn out! It's over.
Be careful! He's aiming for something!
What was that?
Hashirama filled this world with hypocrisies. In order to protect something, you must sacrifice something.
Damn it! What is this?
Even if that may be your friend, your brother, or your child. I have given you more than enough time. How unfortunate. So this is the power of the Sage of the Six Paths. Now I just need my left eye.
What's wrong?
Sasuke's chakra. You're strong. You can't lose. You... I said I'm going!
Hold on! Where are you going?
To Sasuke! We need to hurry or we won't make it! I won't let him die. No matter what! I'll never let him die here!